Hi viewers, today's video I show you how to make viral video using AI. So first you come to this website. First you come to this website. This website name is andysearch.ai. This is the andysearch.ai. This is the most powerful AI website after ChatGPT. So you ask something, you write it down something. So how to make birthday cake. So we search it now. We click on search. After that the search result is coming. So you get we get some article. We get some article over there. You can summarize the article as well. You can summarize the article as well. What the article is about. If you click the summarize, it makes the summarize article. So generate summarize. It's very cool because I know I do not need to read whole article. You just it make you summarize. You can understand what the article is about. Now summarize is okay. Now if you want to explain what the article is about, whole explain, you can explain as well. There is two option as well, image and video. In the image section we get the most popular image of a cake, and video section there is lots of YouTube video which make thousand view. Okay, so I click on image first. Here the most popular image, birthday cake image. So you can copy and paste. You can save this image as well for your YouTube video. And here is the video, most popular YouTube video in a video section. Now we need to copy one of the video. This view is high. This is the 6 million view. I copy this link. First I copy this link, right button and copy link. The other way as well, this is a copy link. So I copy this link. First I copy the link, then go to the other site. This site is video to blog.ai. So what is the things is about? So it makes your video to blog. So now you come here and paste it the link over there. So it makes, so now logging your Google account. After logging, yes, it's login complete. Then generate your blog. It's really cool because this video, this most popular video makes the blog. So blog is ready, you know. Now copy this blog. Now copy the you can regenerate the blog as well. In this case your this blog video become unique. You can post the blog in your blog site as well, so you can earn money from your blog like this way. So regenerate and it makes the new generate blog. So this is the unique blog. You can use it in your blog site. You can publish the blog site and make money. So here you go. This article is ready. This is the unique article, by the way. Now we copy the whole article. You copy the whole article and paste it in your blog. So I new post and paste the title and then the whole article I copy. Now I need image. I come again andysearch.com and copy the most popular image. I copy and save it. I save one of the image which is very cool. After that I insert here. So it is eye-catching image of this blog. Now what do you think? Now we publish the blog in my blog site. You can earn money from blog as well, like this method. Now what can you do? You come now you can make your YouTube video in this way. Okay, so this video is most viral video because this video I see I make first video to blog. This YouTube most popular YouTube video I picked up, so it makes the viral video. So you can make viral video like this. So thanks very much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.